Hello, my name is Abigail Johnston, and what we're looking at here is a poster you requested for your public service announcement about forest health and fire. My first thoughts on what I wanted to show people was that fire can be used as a tool or it can be a threat. And if we don't use it as a tool, it will most likely become a threat. To get people to take this personally, I made sure to use the wildfire photo with the city in it. I thought this would get people to see that we need to manage our forests, or else it could cause a threat to their homes. The second message I wanted to portray was that fire can be used as a tool in conjunction with logging. I originally was going to put these two photos side by side, the logging one and the prescribed burn one, side by side with approximately the same size so that people could tell they're working together. When I started laying out the poster, I realized that the logging one needed to be a bit larger to see the whole photo. I then began to think that it could be a good because logging our forests is better than not. However, logging followed by prescribed burn is the best in most cases, as you know. I wanted the wildfire photo to be the largest, however, it is almost the same size as the logging one. But I wanted it to be largest so that it would bring people's emotions into the poster. So that's how I ended up with the photo sizes. That's how they worked the best on the poster. For the wording, I wanted the letter coloring to match the fire, and the white and the orange contrasted well in both the lower photos with the backgrounds, so I thought that looked good. And then I was trying to come up with the background for the upper one, and then I realized that the same colors worked well and they matched the fire, and I think that that works well for the whole photo or the whole poster. So that's about sums up some of my thoughts on why I chose this design for your public service announcement poster. If you have any questions or would like more work done, please feel free to contact me, and thank you again for your business.